सदैव खुश रहो। आई JBN डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। प्रोग्राम MSc मैथमेटिक्स, MSc फिजिक्स, फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर, कोर्स डिस्क्रीट मैथमेटिक्स, एंड session of today is some numerical problem on Boolean algebra. So here is some problems of Boolean algebra. Problem number 1 is a plus a dash b is equal to a plus b. You have to prove. And another is a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is equal to a plus b dot b plus c dot c plus a. So prove these properties. So prove these expressions or identities. Solution number 1, we have to prove a plus a dash b is equal to taking left hand side a plus a dash b, and we have to prove the value of this expression will be a plus b. So a plus a dash b may be written as a plus a dash dot a plus b. This is the distributive law of Boolean algebra. It is because if a and b is the element of Boolean algebra, b plus dot dash structure, then the distributive law in Boolean algebra is very special type of property. Here dot is distributed over plus and plus is distributed over dot. So here multiplication is the distributive on the addition. So a plus a dash and a plus b, and a plus a dash is equal to 1. So putting the value of a plus a dash 1 into a plus b and 1 into something that is a plus b. So the value will be a plus b and hence proved. Next, a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is equal to a plus b dot b plus c dot c plus a. So taking right hand side in this identity, taking right hand side and then prove the left hand side. So right hand side is a plus b dot b plus c dot c plus a is equal to a plus b, first bracket is as it is, b plus c and c plus a. Here applying distribution law, or after applying distribution law, here c is common and b or a is different element. So by applying distributive law, it becomes c plus ba, c plus ba. Next, now we have two bracket a plus b, c plus ba, and dot operation in between them. So dot operation, a plus b dot c plus a plus b dot ba. Next, dot operation a dot c plus b dot c, again dot operation a dot b a plus b dot b a. So a dot c is written as same, b dot c as same, a b a. Here apply commutative law, then a and a will be a dot a is equal to a. If b a is written as a b, so it become a b, or a dot a is equal to a in Boolean algebra. So it is remaining b a, and b dot b again b, so it become b a. Now we have two times b a, then in Boolean algebra b dot a plus b dot a again b dot a. So now the expression will be a dot c plus b dot c plus b dot a. Now reshuffle it by applying the commutative law, and it become a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a, hence proved. Again, next question is in Boolean algebra, show that if a plus b is equal to a plus c and ab is equal to ac, then b is equal to c. In simple algebra, we applying the cancellation law, but in Boolean algebra, cancellation law not applying, and this is proved by the with the help of Boolean algebra. And so in order to proving this, we have taken the consequence. From the consequence b is equal to c, or start from b, and after applying Boolean property and properties which is given here, a plus b is equal to a plus c and ab is equal to ac, by using these property, b is proved equal to the c. So taking b here, or by the absorption law, b is always equal to b plus ba. b can be written as b plus b dot a. It is proved by the absorption law. So after this question we have to prove to understand you. So b is equal to b plus b dot a. Again b can be written as b dot b. So we here write b dot b at the place of b. Next expression will be b dot b plus b dot a. Now applying the distributive law, it become b dot b plus a, or b dot b plus a can be expressed as b dot a plus b. In the given set, a plus b is equal to the a plus c. So using a plus b is equal to a plus c, here we have used b dot a plus c, again multiplying, or it gives the b dot a plus b dot c, or b dot a can be written as a dot b and b dot c can be written as b dot c. So a dot c plus b dot c, it is because in the given conditions here we have given ab is equal to ac. So putting the value of ab instead of AC, putting the value of AC instead of AB. So AC plus BC. Now again applying distributive law, it will give the expression a plus b dot c, and a plus b again a plus c. It is because it is given in the question. So it can be expressed a plus c dot c. Again applying distributive law, and dot is distributive over the plus, and it gives the a dot c plus c dot c. C dot c again c. So expression will be a dot c plus c, and after applying commutative law, it gives c plus c dot a, and c plus c dot a by the absorption law, it is c. So here we start from the b and prove to the c. Here by using the given condition, b is equal to the c, hence proved. Now we have used here absorption law. So absorption law is a plus a dot b. We have to prove here, it is the a plus a dot b will be a. Now taking a plus a dot b left hand side, and can be expressed as a dot 1 plus a dot b. So applying distributive law, and it gives the a 1 plus b, and 1 plus b is equal to 1. So the value of this expression will be a dot 1, or a dot 1 is equal to 1. Similarly, a dot a plus b can be expressed as a plus 0 and a plus b, dot a plus b. So again applying the distributive law, it gives the a plus 0b, then a plus 0, and it gives the a. This is the absorption law. Here we have used the absorption law. So I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much.